Right, I want you to guess where I'm on my way to. Now, quite a while ago we did a video of Angelica Beach, and that's where I'm actually on my way. There's a new road, I hope you can remember if you watched the videos, probably not, but they're making a new road through to Angelica, and I'm going to see how far they've got with it. I think they said they were about 15 kilometers away from finishing the road. It should be finished this December, but I stopped here because I didn't realize really I was so close to the sea. As you can see over there, I'm really close to the sea. I'm really excited because up until I went to Karamoan, Angelica was my favorite. But that said, I can't pick between the two. I love Angelica and I love Karamoan, and the two different places, but I'm hoping to inform you sometime today about all the new information, exciting information about Angelica and what's going to happen. Saruma is located in Camarine Sur, and it's about 2 hours from Naga. It has 22 municipalities, which is basically barangay. I think the good thing about this kind of experience, it's like an off-road experience, and I really enjoyed it. It was not a challenge as in like a difficult challenge, but it was really fun. And of course the scenery changes as well, and that is something I love. I just love that. I just love having my bike. I don't think it'd be the same in a car, or well, it certainly isn't a jeepney, because it's difficult to look at the scenery as you're going along, you know. So, you know, get yourself a motorbike and get going around the Philippines. I love it. Now the other thing is, if you get a jeepney to Angelica, it'll only cost you 120 pesos. That's one way, of course, so 240 pesos altogether, which is nothing. I mean, it's really cheap to get there and back from Naga. Now, the owners of Angelica, I believe, are going to eventually provide a bus that will come and pick you up in Naga. Obviously that will be extra to whatever you pay for the room, but I think that's a fantastic idea. There's so much happening here, you know, whether it be the kayaks that they're buying 5 kayaks, 2 brand new jet skis. There's just so much that they're, you know, planning on doing. It's going to be excellent. Now you can see this is part of the road that hasn't been started yet, and there's bits like this all the way to Angelica, but as I've said in previous videos, I believe that this will all be completed by December. I've got some good news and some bad news about actually getting to Angelica. The good news is there's 2 ways of getting there. You can either go by bike, car, bus, jeepney should I say, or you can actually go by boat. Now the bad news is the boat is 5,000, so it's not a cheap way of getting there, and also you have to get the boat from Tinan back. So you have to do a little bit of travelling just to get to the boat, so it's easier if you just go by road, I think. Well, certainly cheaper. Getting this motorbike was the best investment I ever did. I mean, look at the scenery as I'm going along the road. It was an absolute pleasure. Everywhere you look is just coconut trees, palm trees, rice fields, you know, everything I love. Now the new road has been built, as you can see, it's an easy task to get to Angelica now, and I enjoyed every mile I travelled, or is it kilometers I think in the Philippines, but it was absolutely beautiful. homesteads in Saruma. If you want to go to Angelica Beach, you have to come through here, and it's beautiful. So you'll have to stop for a few minutes and just have a quick breathtaking look. It's fantastic.